Hello, this is Angela at the Rec Innovation Lab, and today I'm going to go over the approved vendor process for San Diego Miramar College. So here we have the 3 steps to becoming an approved vendor with the Miramar College. Step 1, we need you to complete and submit a W-9 and a supplier intake form. Step 2, we need you to sign and complete and submit a scope of work, the consultant agreement, and an invoice. And step 1 and 2 are done prior to the work being completed or the service provided. And then step 3 will be after the work is completed, you will need to submit a final invoice. So just to show you really quickly, here are the actual documents. So for step 1, we have a W-9 here, which is a request for the taxpayer identification number and certification. Here you'll complete this according to the steps, and in the middle of the W-9 here, we will need you to have to sign it and date it. And please don't forget to either provide your social security number if you are a sole proprietor, or if your company has an EIN, please provide that. And please follow the instructions to determine which one would be best for your company. The second document will be our supplier intake form. And here you'll fill out your business name. If you're a sole proprietor, you'll fill out the mailing address and the payment remittance address. And then down here at the bottom, there's a few categories. Please be sure to fill these out. And then the bottom is to be signed by a SDCCD employee. So there's no signature on the supplier intake form required by you. Just please provide us with the information for your company. So that's step 1 of the process. Step 2, we'll need you to complete a scope of work. And we have a template here that you can use to create your scope of work. This is the agreement between you and San Diego Miramar College on the services or the product that you're going to be providing to the college. For the yellow highlighted areas, please include your company information, like up here in the upper left-hand corner. You could put your business name and address. In the right-hand corner, please place your logo right here. And then just for each category that has yellow highlight, please complete it with your company's information or the information that you need to provide regarding the scope of the project that you're working on or provide the service that you're providing. And you'll provide, the scope of work details here. You'll provide the fee schedule. And then down here at the bottom, you'll provide your signature, your first name, last name, signature, and your the actual name written out below it and your title. And then last but not least, you'll need to provide us with the San Diego Community College consultant agreement. This is going to be the date that you completed this document. You are going to put your name here or your company's name here as the consultant. And here the district representative is going to be Tanya Hertz. And then number 3 here, article number 3, the first box here, the consultant during the period commencing on, this is going to be the first date of work that you're going to be doing the actual project or service. And then the ending date you'll put here, the date that you're completing the project or service. And then on page 2, up at the top under article 4, you're going to actually write out the dollar amount of your project, of how much it's going to cost. And then please put the numerical amount here on the right side. And then we'll scroll down here to page 3. The district project manager will be Tanya Hertz. The campus will be San Diego Miramar College, and our address will be here. It will most likely be provided for you, but if not, the address is 10440 Black Mountain Road, San Diego, California, 92126. So, and then here, your name will be here under project representative, and this will be your company address. So let's move on to page 7, and here you're going to fill in your company's name and address. Your name will be here under the authorized representative. Please provide us with your email address and date it. And then the district project manager will be Tanya Hertz, and the campus again will be San Diego Miramar College. And then page 8, you'll just insert here that to please refer to the scope of work document that you provided, and all that information is on your actual scope of work, which is the previous document you just completed. And then the last page will be the payment provision. Here, you're going to describe the terms of the payment. It will be net 30. And you will also want to mention about who you'd like the check to be made payable to, whether that would be your name or your company's name. And we will provide you with verbiage for this section as well. So, and then last but not least, we will need you to provide us with an invoice regarding your project or service. And that invoice, the dates need to match your scope of work and the consultant agreement, and the terms need to match the consultant agreement and the scope of work as well. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to either Tanya Hertz or myself. And thank you very much.